Welcome to my channel Dandelions. My name is Lee, and let's do the unboxing of this button snap fastener set from FOLly. There's also a warning, contains small parts, so keep it away from children and pets. And before you use it, inspect the product and its parts, not used in case of damage. Be careful when handling the product during use. Keep your fingers away from the front of the snap fastener tool during use. Misuse may result in injury. Instructions: follow the instructions for effective and safe use of the product. Make sure the fabric is suitable for attaching snap fasteners. When attaching, make sure the number of fabric layers is even. Keep the snap fastener tool steady during use to prevent slipping. And you have other languages also. There's also even here how to guide on the back. I think inside the cardboard, I believe, because I don't see paper in the clear organizer or the box. Okay, let's start. No, it's not attached to the box, so I can slide it off. Oh, there they are, the instructions. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's see. So you have here plastic button assembly with 12mm buttons. So they show you which kind of the tools you need and what kind of buttons you need. Let's see. Cut a slit in the fabric layer in one, and then that's the fabric, and the other fabric also in the same spot. Then push the pin. There's a round piece with a pin on the back. There's a piece that has a hole in it, so you put the two pieces together. And this is the tool you need to use in case you need to change the tools. You need to screw the tools, because I don't think the tools... Oh, wait! They have the tool inserted. Oh, that's so smart. It's all included. Oh my goodness. They have like a smart thinking. So they have other things to consider and do it like this. That. But what I use for is not for fabric. I use it for paper. So for the love of paper. For the love of paper. It's my motto. I love the motto. For the love of paper, because that's all included. Paper as in paper washi tape, or paper printed paper, paper bags, paper stickers, etc., etc. So, oh, it's so smart. Okay. So you have on the same color, the one with the pin and the one with the hole. Nice. Okay. I need paper. But first, I need coffee. So I have coffee here. Let's all cool down. So let me tell you, I have not prepared for this, so I don't know what way it will go. Some things I need in here, and I see I don't have it, so that's not smart part of me. Let's see if I can. I'm looking in my surroundings if I have some other things that I can use No, I don't. Oh, that's all not so smart. Never mind. Okay, let's make an envelope. It's a square paper, print paper, and it has structure, as you can see. Can already hear when I feel the. It looks like tire track or a. It looks more like a tire track than what's the word for it? A crochet or a knitted sweater. Yes, that's the word I'm looking for. I need to fold it, and because my envelope don't need to be that big, but I can make a big envelope like that, but then it's gonna be a white. Shall we do white? Yeah, let's do it. All right. Of course, you can use the cutting paper machine or the guillotine, and then without the cutting knife, you can use the special knife that can make the line with that guillotine. So you can do that, but I use my nails, and now you can see like some here in the illustration. It already kind of is a bit tear in the structure, but that's not my fault. It's the design of the paper. So as long it's not has not made a hole in the paper, so it's okay. Then I need to fold like a flap over here. Let's see. I need to see if I'm... All right. I'm looking if I did a good job. Yes. So because I need to use the fasteners, I'm not gonna do the double-sided tape yet on this part. So let me make a. And, oh no, I didn't fasten it enough. Now it's a bit dry. So here, where the crosses I've just made, signed or draw on the paper, that's where the double-sided tape is gonna be. But like I said, I'm not gonna do that following. I need to do the fasteners first. So I think I need like 3 of them, like here in the middle, and then 2 on the sides. So because if I made it like smaller, half of this paper, I can make just 1 or 2 fasteners. But I choose to do like a long version. So I need to choose the colors. And I think, oh, I put it in the wrong color. I think I'm gonna use 3 kinds of colors. I think the blue. So, and the green. The purple one. Yes. So I'm gonna take. Ooh. Oh, yes. It's because it was confined in this space. I took it out and then flap, it was wide open. Scared myself a little bit. So, not certain at all. And in case of uncertainty, need to read instructions again. see. Yeah, I need to make a... That's what I was looking for, to find the hole, the tool to make a hole. And I can use scissors, but I don't want to do that. So you can see where exactly the pin's gonna be, or the fasteners. So yeah, I think I have a tool for that, for this tool, because I need to make a hole in something, and let's do it. Oh wait, put it aside, I don't want to lose them. So I'm gonna, because I'm gonna put my fingers underneath, otherwise I don't know where I'll put the fastener, and then punch. I'm not gonna punch my fingers because my fingers is not near there. So I've punched a hole. I think I might have a problem to do the second one, but let's do the other side. See, it's not even near my fingers. And I'm gonna grab a washi tape, so I can put here somewhere, and then punch a hole in there. See how smart that was to use a washi tape for that. I see there's another one that's I can't explain it. It's like a well. This. So I need... Okay. Yeah, okay. I need to find the well, and then none of this pin, so that can be combined to put on one piece of the sheet, and the other one that's here is on the other side. So is that correct? Because it's the one, look, that's the difference, you see. So I need one of this, and two of the pins. Like that, because the pins need to be on this one and the other one on that one, otherwise you cannot attach onto the paper. So I think I'm doing this underneath and that on top, like that, and then push them together. Oh shoot, I did it a bit. Oh, it didn't click on. Oh, where? Oh! I hope you did see the pictures I showed you, because I did something horrible when I put the fasteners onto the paper. I thought, oh, I'm so smart. I did it the correct way, but when I just closed everything up with a double-sided tape and with glue, etc., I'm like, no, it won't even close properly. So I started all over again. I used the same paper, but this one didn't have the raised structure, so this is the plain one. Still the same illustration, but now I'm gonna show you the correct way. So stupid. I feel so stupid. Never mind. Okay, so I've put the the button with the nail in it through the hole, and I'm looking for, okay, that's the one. So I'm putting the other part in it. You can even click in it, but if you don't have the strength, never mind. You can still use this contraption, and you can see the metal part here at the bottom. It has a dip, and the dip has the same dome on this side. So you're gonna put it in, and then there on the soft silicone spot, you don't want to pressure it and then flatten it, this part. So that's why you need to do it like that. Let's see if it is in the correct. Let's see, is it correct? Okay, and then you can put pressure on it. And then lift, and then pressure it again. And then it should be like sturdy. Then you get the other one. Let's see if I find. Right. I need to. Did I do it again? I have here purple, but I don't. I can use. Shall I use purple? Yeah, let's do it. So then, because I can see I did not use the. This is the hexagon, and this is the round one. So I think I used the wrong, but it doesn't matter. I still can use the hexagon. Like that. And in case you don't, in case you're not very certain about it, then just push the piece into the one, and that means, okay, that's the correct one. Then I need to unload it or unlock it, and then put it on the right side. So now I have to find the pin. That means the flat piece with the nail in it. Do it that first. Into the hole. Like that. Then do it again. It's the wrong side. Pressure. Like that. Now it's fastened. And then I can try. Yes, now it will close up. Let's see. Alright. Do the same thing. So the flat side, put it like this, and the pin or the nail go through the hole. Like that. Then you can put the. So I'm gonna show you. This is the hexagon part. That means the round part, the donut part, is gonna be on the other side. So, like I told you, I did it wrong, and this piece should have been the hexagon, but I turned it. But it doesn't matter, as long as it fits. So now I'm gonna close it up. That's also the wrong side, so I need to turn it. I don't want to flatten the donut part. So now it's sturdy, and do it again. Right. Oh, I don't have any more, so I need to find two of the purple ones, the pin, and if I'm not sure, I can check it again. Let's see. So that's the hexagon. I need the donut part. Let's see if I can find it. That's this one. See? Yeah, my fingers is with dried glue. So the pin with the nail part goes through the hole like that, and then put the donut on top and pressure it, and then because I need the silicone part on top the donut, because I don't want to flatten the donut. Yes. Now it's the correct way. Like that. Now it closes up. Okay. So, let's see. Shall I do like an extra part of paper so it won't, in case if you put like a lot of things inside, I need like, so it can bulge up like this, see? So I'm gonna cut up a piece of paper, any kind of paper. I didn't use the lined paper, I used the sturdy. You can do whatever you want, so you can even do let's see, like a little bit space in there. So yeah, then here. See? So if you put it like this, you still have like a little bit hole there, and you can fill more things in there because you have made a space. But in case you don't want that, because there's a hole in here, just put glue or double-sided tape on there, and like this. So you have a little bit more space. But you can also make like, turn it the other way around and then give a little bit. Same concept like this one, but make it like an accordion. Like this. So it has like here a little bit more space. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Put double-sided tape on the printed spot like this. So a couple of days was really very cold in the Netherlands. I lowered, like 4 or 5 days before, I lowered central heating because it's like spring and we don't need the furnace on. But because it was like 4 or 5 days cold, I couldn't take it anymore. I just put the furnace on. So stupid. It was too cold. It's horrible. So I'm going to take the backing off. Burnish it first. That means put pressure on it. Still not good. Okay. Forgot to tell you the distance from the middle line and with the fastener. I just grabbed a piece of paper and it was just below the button or the fastener. So now I took off the backing. So now I'm gonna put it neatly on the spot. And this is like a harmonica. And do it on the other side. I need to do it correctly. I didn't do it correctly. Wait. Close it up. Yes. You see? So I have more space. I'm gonna do it on the other side as well. And then fold it up and do it on one side first. And close it up carefully, like that. Oh, my stamp pad. Okay, so now it's closed. And it's now it's in the correct way. Fast. I can press it. You can hear the click. Like that. And all you have to do is like decorate it. So I've got some felt stickers here and a beautiful bow. Shall I put the bow in here? So I want to do like here a piece of paper or maybe an etiquette. Let's see if I can find one. So I have here the HEMA stickers or labels. We call it etiketten. I said etiquette, but I meant etiketten, and that's in English labels. And I'm looking for one of these. And I want to use the pink bow. So I think I'm going to use the avocado or the orange juice or the toast. Oh no, let's use the toast. I said, oh no, because I had so much choice to choose from. And then I'm gonna stick it somewhere like that, and then put the bow. It's a felted sticker, so I'm taking the backing off carefully. I don't want to pull on the felt. It's very delicate. Like that, and then turn it out. Oh, kind of sticky. Oh, yoy. And put it somewhere in the corner. Like that. Let's see. I'm gonna put the felt stickers here on the back also, because I have several purple ones. I'm not sure how to put the decoration because I also have the pink ones. Let's do it like this. Yes, let's do that. So I place it on my thumb so I can take off the backing of this one too. I need to be careful. I don't want to tear the shape of the heart, so that's why I have to be careful. Whoa, so sticky. Okay, let's see. Like that. Oh, adorable. Adorable. Do the same thing over here. Left. Okay, turn it around. And let's see. So sticky. Oh. Like that. Look how adorable. Oh, there's a little bit of the glue. Just tuck it in the back of the felt. Let's see. I have like one pink, one left. I can do it in the center like that. Oh, no. Like that, and then put the purple ones on the side. Or just here in the line. I think I don't have enough. Or just, oh, wait, that's better, isn't it? Yes, let's do that. Okay, of course we're gonna put the heart, the red heart, or let's do it in a line. I think that's better. Let's do it in a line. And then put the smallest red heart. like so, and then press it more. You can create some structure because the felt, you can feel the softness of the felt. And I turn this one. You see, I have a little bit over, and the reason why I do that is because, wait, I'm going to show you. The reason why I do that because it was the first part of the washi tape, and then I had grabbed it as the first, and that means it's not as sticky, and that's why I need to cut that part off. It's like that. The scissors won't close anymore. That's because the double-sided tape and washi tape, you see all the, I don't know if you can see it, all the glue makes the scissors a little bit rougher to close and open. That. And I have like these beautiful lucky cats, because you remember when I did the lucky cats under the die cutting machine with the metal dies, and I use a lot of these colorful paper, and I made a lot of it. So I thought to myself, I promised like I want to do more videos with the lucky cat so I can show you the snail mail, but I didn't want to do it anymore. And I said to myself, oh no, I promised on the video and I didn't do it. So I'm gonna do some of it like this. Let's see which one is better. And I have here like these doilies. And use those. I'm using the rose. So it's a little bit hard to attach glue on it, but let's see if I can do it with my fingers. Let's see if I need to use my fingers. So there's here a hole and you only have to twist like that. So you can use that. But I'm gonna put a little bit on my finger like this. And then close it for, of course. And try to do it like a little bit on it, like so. And put it on here. So I didn't put it like everywhere on the doily, but just enough so it can attach on the printed paper. So I have like a sticky finger and I just have to do it like this and curl my fingers up. So the glue that is in between my fingers is dried up, and then put all the nasty bits. Here are some nasty bits, and then put it in here in the corner. So later, when I'm gonna clean it up, I can swoop it in one fell and just put it in a garbage bin. So, let's see. See, there's another nasty. Okay. And, oh, look. And then I can attach the Lucky Cat. So now I have to do a little bit of and then close it quickly because I don't want it like come up all over. Oh wait, I forgot the arm. I need to do the arm too. Oh, too much. You know what? I'm gonna like this. So I put a little bit. There's a surplus of glue, so I folded a little bit. So here's more glue there, and then put the Lucky Cat in the corner like that. So this is not gonna be the actually snail mail that I'm gonna send to someone and put here the stamps. This is just I'm gonna put this snail mail inside the real envelope. So because you know things can fall off here, you know, in this little bit opening. This is just a colorful, fun snail mail to put inside the actual real envelope. So that's my thought of that. Put that away. I can decorate some more. Let's see if I can find some oh sorry, washi tapes. I'm looking for a certain washi tape. I know it when I see it. Let's see which one it is. Okay, which one shall I use? I think. Oh, this one is not open yet? That's weird. I know for certain I have one that's open. Huh? Let's check it for certainty. That's weird. Oh, I need this one too. It says Happy Meal. I don't have one that says snail mail, but it's the same. Almost the same, Happy Meal and snail mail. I'm gonna put it here next. This one is Dark Academy, I think. You know what, I'm gonna use that because that's, I don't need. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna use this one. Dark Academy. Put it in like that. To create a false scent mail. You see? Put stamps on the side. Shall I do some more? Yeah, do some more. Okay. like so. And then put here I need a short piece, not a long piece, a short piece. Let's see. That. Let's see where I shall put this. Here? Yeah, let's put it there. See? Happy Meal. And try to find some I need some wax beads. So I grab my container. Let's see. Lots of stuff here. Oh, I have just one little piece to. Let's see if I can. Oh. I don't have the click the lighter. So now I have to do. Wait. Oh, sorry. I found it. I found my lighter. You know? There you have it. See how simple that was. Put the furnace on top. And my spoon. Oh my goodness. Where's my spoon? I thought by myself, where's the spoon? I found it. Okay. Uh-oh. It's not hot yet because I just I just light it up. And let's see. I'm gonna use this small one. Let's see if you can see it. It's a stamp head of a bird. A little bird. And I need, of course I can use just this stamp head and press it on, but I need an extension, so I use this, so it's easier than that little metal piece. And then just stamp it on. So now I have to find a place to put the wax, the melted wax on top. So now I'm not sure if it's burning. Why is it not burning? Put it a little bit closer because it won't melt. And just because I just did it, it's not melted yet. It's starting to melt. As you can see on the bottom, it's starting to melt. It needs more time. And because just the tea light, the wax on the tea light is cut in half, so it takes some time to melt it. So now I can just decide where to put the melted wax. I think I'm gonna put where my finger just because there's some space here that I did not put glue, and because when I put the melted wax here on this spot, it will be secured. So look, it's melting a little bit more. It's not melted all the way. Now I can put it. Oh, wait. Where's my step? Let's see. Which side is the bird? I'm gonna put some little drops. Like that. I'm gonna turn it. So I just put 3 little drops on here. Oops. And let's see if I can lift it off. Look at that, it's a birdie. I think I just did a little bit too much wax, but oh well. Never mind. Do you think it's fully decorated, or shall I do one more? Let's do one more. Wait. Oh, I didn't grab enough melted wax. Wait, I've got some. On the side I have some little pieces of melted wax. Oh, I'm glad I did not throw that away. That little itty bitsy piece. I found. There's some stuff here on the side. I'm gonna put it also in there. Blue Star wax bead. I don't know if it's enough. I don't have any more. Yeah, I don't have any more. So, No extra piece of wax beads, so I have to do with what I have here. So the red wax beads are already melted in half, well, most part. And then the Blue Star bead, wax bead, is not melted yet because I put it later in, so now I have to wait a little bit more. Give it some time to melt. That oodle poodle of wax, melted wax. Let's see if it clashed, the blue and the red wax beads. I don't think so. Actually, you can combine all colors. Let's see, almost there. There's a little bit more to melt. Almost there. Almost there. Yes, now we can use it. Okay, shall we do it here on top? Let's do some little beads too. 1, 2, okay, that's enough. Oh, quickly. Uh-oh, I think I put the little beads of droplets too close to that part. There's a bubble in there. Oh no. Let's see if I can pop the bubble. Let's try to lift. Oh, I didn't. I didn't check on which side the bird was. Uh-oh, upside down. Well, it doesn't matter. I already did it. Never mind. This one I did check. Why did I not check it before I just popped it on? See, if you're in haste, you make mistakes. Never mind. Isn't it cute? Aww. And then I can put the name of the person. I think I'm done with decorating. I can, of course, do more. But I think it's enough. It's enough. Here on the side. Okay, I'm gonna blow. Oh no. Wait. Yes. Put that aside. Like so. Out of the way. Because I want to show you, like if I put stuff in there, you see? And finally I did it the correct way, the fasteners. And I'm done. How do you think about this? Do you like it? Do you like it? Of course I can make it half, not like a vertical version. Just make a smaller version, but then you have to like jumble it all up all together. Now I have like a lot of space. Okay, I think I'm done. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. This little unboxing and finishing some more Lucky Cat snail mail or Happy Mail. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.